Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. We all know that regular exercise is crucial for a healthy lifestyle, but are you getting the most out of your workouts? Today, we're diving into the benefits of drinking green tea before your workout. That's right, this magical elixir isn't just a soothing beverage, it can actually amplify your fitness journey. We're talking about increased metabolism, enhanced fat burning, improved performance, and even mental clarity, all thanks to the power of green tea. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, incorporating green tea into your routine might be the game changer you've been looking for. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how green tea can take your workout to the next level. Let's talk metabolism, that internal engine that keeps our bodies running. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories even at rest. Think of it like this. You're constantly burning calories throughout the day, even when you're just lounging around. Now, wouldn't it be great if we could give that metabolic engine a little boost? Well, that's where green tea comes in. Green tea contains these amazing compounds called catechins, specifically one called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. Try saying that 3 times fast. EGCG has been shown to have a thermogenic effect on the body. In simpler terms, it helps your body generate heat and burn more calories. But it doesn't stop there. Green tea also contains a bit of caffeine. Now, you might be thinking, caffeine? I thought that was in coffee. And you'd be right. But green tea has a smaller amount of caffeine compared to coffee. And this gentle caffeine boost, combined with the EGCG, creates a synergy that can really kickstart your metabolism. Think of it like this. The caffeine is like giving your metabolism a little nudge, and the EGCG is like throwing some logs on the fire, really getting that calorie-burning furnace going. Studies have shown that consuming green tea can increase your metabolic rate by about 4%, which might not sound like a lot, but over time, those extra burned calories can really add up. So imagine this. You wake up, have a cup of green tea, and your body starts humming, burning calories at a slightly higher rate throughout the day. That's the power of green tea. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle but effective push in the right direction. Now, it's important to note that green tea alone won't magically melt away pounds. It's not a miracle cure. However, when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, it can be a valuable tool in your weight management journey. So next time you're looking for a pre-workout drink, skip the sugary sports drinks and reach for a cup of green tea. Your metabolism will thank you for it. Now let's talk about something that gets everyone excited, burning fat. We all have those stubborn areas we'd like to slim down, and green tea can be your secret weapon in the battle against fat. Remember those catechins we talked about earlier, specifically EGCG? Well, they play a crucial role in fat burning as well. EGCG has been shown to enhance the activity of an enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase, or HSL for short. HSL is like a key that unlocks those fat cells and releases stored fat into the bloodstream, where it can be used as energy. So green tea essentially helps your body access and utilize stored fat more efficiently. But here's the kicker. The fat-burning effects of green tea are amplified when you exercise. That's right. When you combine green tea consumption with physical activity, you create a powerful synergy that can really torch those calories. Imagine this. You're at the gym, working up a sweat, and your body is tapping into those fat stores, thanks in part to the green tea you enjoyed beforehand. It's like giving your body a helping hand in shedding those extra pounds. Studies have shown that people who consume green tea before exercise burn a higher percentage of fat compared to those who don't. This means that green tea can help you make the most out of your workouts, maximizing your fat-burning potential. So, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or even just taking a brisk walk, consider sipping on some green tea beforehand. It's like giving your body a head start on the fat-burning process. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating green tea into your routine, along with regular exercise and a healthy diet, can lead to sustainable, long-term results. We all want to perform our best during workouts, right? Whether it's pushing for that extra rep, running that extra mile, or simply having the energy to power through our fitness routine, we're always looking for an edge. Well, guess what? Green tea can give you that extra boost. One of the key players in this performance enhancement is caffeine. Now I know what you might be thinking. Caffeine? But I thought green tea had less caffeine than coffee, and you'd be absolutely right. Green tea does contain less caffeine compared to coffee, but it's still enough to provide some noticeable benefits. Caffeine works its magic by stimulating the central nervous system, which can improve reaction time, reduce fatigue, and increase alertness. It's like giving your brain and body a gentle wake-up call, preparing them for the workout ahead. But it's not just about the caffeine. Green tea also contains an amino acid called L-theanine. Now, L-theanine has a calming effect on the brain, promoting relaxation without causing drowsiness. It's like a gentle hand on your shoulder, telling you to relax and focus. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea creates a unique synergy that's been shown to improve cognitive function, including attention, focus, and even mood. This means you'll be more alert, more focused, and more in tune with your body during your workout. Imagine this. You're at the gym, fully engaged in your workout, feeling energized and focused, thanks to the balanced boost from your pre-workout green tea. You're able to push yourself further, lift heavier, and power through your routine with renewed vigor. Studies have shown that consuming green tea before exercise can improve endurance, reduce perceived exertion, and enhance overall athletic performance. It's like unlocking a hidden reserve of energy and focus, allowing you to train harder and smarter. Let's face it, exercise, while incredibly beneficial, is a form of stress on our bodies. It's like a controlled burn, pushing our muscles and systems to their limits. And while this stress is what helps us grow stronger and healthier, it also produces free radicals. Now, free radicals are like those little troublemakers in a crowded room, bumping into things and causing damage. In our bodies, they can damage cells, contribute to inflammation, and even accelerate aging. That's where antioxidants come in, acting like bouncers, keeping those free radicals in check. Green tea is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that neutralize free radicals and protect our cells from damage. It's like having a whole team of bodyguards shielding your body from the inside out. One of the most potent antioxidants in green tea is, you guessed it, EGCG. EGCG has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, reducing oxidative stress and protecting muscle cells from damage caused by exercise. Think of it this way. When you exercise, your muscles experience microscopic tears, which is a natural part of the muscle building process. But these tears can also lead to inflammation and soreness. Green tea's antioxidants swoop in, reducing inflammation and helping your muscles recover faster. So, not only does green tea help you power through your workouts, but it also helps your body bounce back stronger. It's like having a secret weapon against post-workout soreness and fatigue. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can reduce muscle damage, improve recovery time, and even boost immune function. It's like giving your body the support it needs to handle the demands of an active lifestyle. We've talked about the physical benefits of green tea, but what about the mental edge it can provide? You see, a great workout isn't just about physical strength, it's also about mental focus and clarity. Green tea, with its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, can help you achieve that laser-like focus, enhancing your mind-muscle connection during workouts. Caffeine, as we know, is a stimulant that can increase alertness and focus. It's like giving your brain a gentle nudge, helping you shake off any lingering fogginess and get in the zone. But here's where L-theanine comes in, adding another layer to this mental boost. L-theanine, as we discussed earlier, promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. It's like a calming wave washing over you, easing any jitters or anxiety that caffeine might induce. The combination of these two compounds creates a balanced state of alertness and focus. It's like having the best of both worlds, the energy and drive of caffeine without the jitters or crash, thanks to the calming effects of L-theanine. Imagine this. You're at the gym, fully present in the moment, your mind and body working in perfect harmony. You're able to concentrate on each exercise, feeling the burn, and pushing yourself further because your mind is sharp and your focus is unwavering. Studies have shown that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and even boost mood. It's like giving your brain a performance boost, allowing you to train with greater intensity and focus. So there you have it. Drinking green tea before your workout can boost your metabolism, increase fat burning, improve performance, provide antioxidants, and enhance mental alertness. It's like having a natural performance enhancer, packed with health benefits. Remember, green tea is not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that, when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, can significantly enhance your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching.